me, Retired Shenanigans. I'm back again with another one. Today we're going to try these noodles. These are called a taste of Thai, but I'm going to make it like Chinese. You know those real thin noodles that the Chinese, they call them Mei Fun. I'm going to cook it like that. I have some pork pieces I'm going to put in it. I'm going to put a little of my cooked vegetable. I'm going to cook this cabbage up and vegetable. I'm going to put it in it. This is my first time, so you guys bear with me. We're going to make mistakes together today. But first I want to say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I have me some new subscribers. I appreciate you. Thank you to my new, my old, and my future. So come on along. We're going to make these. I'm going to do it by the package. The package say I'm going to do the soaking method because we're in no hurry. It says faster, slower, or faster. Can you guys see that? Y'all probably can't see it too well. But the slower version is soak noodles in hot tap water for 15 minutes. Do not over soak. Drain well, then stir fry. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to soak them, and then I'm going to put them in the pan with the meat and the vegetables, and we're going to cook it up. So, come on along. We're going to get this party started. Thank you, guys. I'm coming along on my journey. My city water gets real hot here in my house. So, I'm letting it run to get the hottest it can get. But while we're waiting for the water to get hot, I'm going to open this bag. I'm going to take them out. I don't think I'm going to make this whole pot, this whole bag. Getting some paper towels. Because I don't think I'm going to make this whole bag. Because look how it comes. So I'm going to split this. That's half of it. I'm going to put it in the pot. And I'm going to get the hot water over it. I want to know if you guys can see how much this water is smoking. Can you see it? I hope you see it. It's hot. It's hot. Okay. I'm going to put the water on it. What's the time check? Time check is 4:15. So we're going to let it soak for 15 minutes to 4:30. And then we're going to take it out. We're going to take it out and we're going to put it in the pot. I'm going to put a top on it. Ooh, it's hot. So I'm going to put a top on it. I'm going to sit it on the stove. So at 4:30, we will be cooking it. I'm putting the rest in the bag. So guys, you know I always ask, what are you guys having for dinner? This is going to be my dinner tonight. Tonight is Monday. Monday. And we're going to have this for Monday's dinner. I'm putting it in the bag, the rest of it, in a Ziploc bag, so it'll stay fresh for the next one. I'm awfully close to the camera, I'm sorry. I'm putting it in a Ziploc bag so we can have it for the next time. But while we're waiting, I'm going to stir fry these a little bit. So come on over to the stove. Okay, my friends, this is the pork we're going to use. Actually, it's Asian style pork that I bought from the market, the Asian market. So coleslaw blend. Because all we're gonna do is some cabbage. I might put a few onions, no peppers. I think that's enough. Because actually, I don't like vegetables in my Mei Fun, but we have to put some flavor. I'm gonna put me a little frozen onion in it too. So we can give it some flavor. Because the noodles, we won't be seasoning too much at all. No, we won't. Reason is because this meat is very flavorful already. Flavorful. Flavorful already. But we want to saute this down. Get it nice and soft. You know? That's my phone, people. I keep forgetting to put my AirPod in so y'all don't hear it, but you learn. Okay, my friends. I'm back. The noodles have about 3 minutes left to sit in this hot water. And this I want to be a little more softer. So when we drain this, we're going to drain this in 3 minutes and let them sit over here. Then we're going to put the meat, the noodles, and maybe a little seasoning. Asian seasoning. I got this meat is seasoned already. I cooked it yesterday actually. I cooked it and I seasoned it with oyster sauce, not oyster, Hussin sauce, roasted, I'm gonna give you what I put on it. Hold that thought. Roasted sesame seed oil. Roasted sesame seeds. Roasted sesame seed oil. I know I'm saying it wrong. Sesame, whatever. This stuff here. And that's all I put in it. Them two things. And it tastes good. It's a little sweet. I should have put some oyster sauce in it. I got some of that in there. Maybe I will today. But I don't want my noodles to turn color. I don't want to put no soy sauce. I want them white. I want them white. I want them white. White and good. Now, so this cabbage is taking a minute to get done like I want it. But I think it's where I want it to be. So by the time I drain the noodles, I'm going to drain them in this because they're thin. I don't want to lose none. So I'm going to the sink. I'm draining. Woo. I'm draining. It says drain good. So I'm going to let it sit in that pot to get all the water out of them while this cook up some more. Then we're going to pour all of that in this pan. Let's make this pan a little hotter. Okay. My phone again, people. Okay, my friends. I think this is done enough. We're going to pour in our noodles. We're gonna pour in our meat. And we're gonna cook it up some more. We're gonna get our tongy tongs. We're gonna toss it all up. You know what I should have did? Ooh, this is starting to look like the Chinese. But I'm gonna cut up the meat some. I'm gonna cut up these pieces of meat and I'll be back. Okay, my friends, I cut up the meat. Those pieces was too big for all this noodles. So, now, we cut up. We're gonna mix everything up. Yes, I am. I'm gonna put a little more sauce. I want my noodles white, so I'm not gonna put something. I'm not gonna put soy sauce. I don't want them dark like that. I'm gonna put a little bit of y'all see I'm making a mess, right? It's okay. It's okay. I'm making a mess. But I'm gonna put some put a little oil, a little more oil, right? And I'm gonna get a look. I'm gonna put a little oyster sauce, and I'm gonna put a little bit of that other one. I don't want it to get dark. This goes a long way. You only oyster sauce, you only need a little bit. And now hot sauce. That's it. I ain't putting no more, because I don't want turn dark on me. I'm dropping everything out the plate, out the pan, onto the stove. You see that, right? I'm trying to stir it up here. Get it all mixed up. I'm mixing it. I turned the noodles a little bit, but not much. I'm gonna have to pick that stuff up off my stove there, because this look like quite a bit. So, and I want every bit of what I got going on in this pot. Yes, I do. Y'all see that? I'm gonna get a fork. Oh, my house phone is working again, people. It was dead for a minute. I'll be back. All right. I'm gonna plate me up some of this, and we're gonna taste it, because this is done. This is totally done. So come on along. Let's taste it together. I'm gonna get us a plate, and I'm gonna get us a big helping, because I love this stuff. And I'm gonna tell y'all right now, if this stuff tastes like the Chinese stove, they can forget me buying it ever again. I'm telling you. Because I'm telling you, when I buy this in the Chinese restaurant, they charge me an arm and a leg. It has, they call it house special, right? Y'all guys know. My friends, if y'all eat Chinese food, y'all know. But it has shrimp and chicken in it. But I don't have to have that all in it. But we're going to taste this right now. And we're going to see if it tastes like the Chinese store. Because if it do, they can forget me. Come on back when I'm tasting. Okay, my friends. I'm back with my plate. Mei Fun with pork. Mei Fun. Mei Fun. Some fun. You can't eat Chinese food without duck sauce. So we're gonna put us some duck sauce on it, and we're gonna taste it up. Me personally, I like a lot of duck sauce. You can put duck sauce, soy sauce, hot sauce, whatever kind of sauce you want, but I like duck sauce more than anything. So we stirring it up. I'm gonna back up some. I'm sorry I'm so close to the TV, to the camera. I want to make sure you guys see this food that I make. Now this is my first time. This is my first time ever making this. So here we go. So, like I always say, I want to say thank you. Thank you when you make it to the end of this video. I need you guys to make it to the end. I need those watch hours. Please, come on. I'm trying to get monetized with the 4,000 watch hours. I don't know how to do it. I don't know. I'm no professional. I don't know. I just know that if you guys are watching my videos, I'm going to get it. So, let's taste it. I'm dancing. You know I can't talk with my mouth off. I'm dancing because, God, no. This tastes just like the Chinese store. I'm not kidding. I'm so serious. I hope they eat some of this, because I would eat the whole pan. Oh my goodness. All right. I'm gonna take it easy. So like I was saying, when you make it to the end, you have to subscribe, you have to like, and you have to comment. You have to engage. Tell me, comment below what you think of this meal. Make it. I'm telling you, if you do it, simple, cheap, simple. I think this bag of noodles cost me $3. They charge me $10 for this in the store. You can get any kind of meat you want. You can put the chicken, ground turkey, ground beef, pork, shrimp, anything. Anything you want in it. Call it a house special. But I'm telling you, oh my goodness, this is so good. This is so good. Make it today. Today, tomorrow, make it. Just make sure you make it. And I want to say thank you. Thank you for coming along today, for us making this delicious Mei Fun, Move Fun, good fun, because it's good. And I, Retired Shenanigans, will see you, my family and friends, on the next one. Love you guys.